outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be doing a room tour for you guys. And if you're interested in seeing that, then keep on watching. So let's just get started. So recently I've redone my room, and I'm doing my room tour now because someone suggested it, and I just thought it would be a fun video. So let's enter. And here's what you first see. And now let's do a little in-depth little tour. So, first off, in the back of my door, we have just this like rack thing where I can put clothes that I want to use again, and I also have my pajamas there. And then next, we have this closet that I have for my clothes, of course. And I'm going to show you guys inside. There it is right now. So right here we have dresses, fancy shirts, skirts, like jeans jackets and like layering things. And then my jeans, shorts, overalls. And then at the bottom of all of this, we have hoodies, sweaters, and sweatshirts. So there's this main sort of section. And then at the bottom, we have most of my shoes. Little shoe tour. Then moving on to the next side, we have my long sleeve tops, and they're not really organized in a specific way because I can see them already. And then we have all of my shorts, and these are organized by athletic shorts, jeans shorts, cloth shorts, and fancier shorts. Then right here we have all of my jeans and my jeans overalls that are full length for my leg. And then we have, this is kind of a weird section, leggings and this flare legging and sweatpants here, and all of my basic tops specifically. And yeah, this closet is really helpful, and if you're wondering, I got it from IKEA. And then we have this like toy basket with a lot of my toys that I should probably get rid of because I don't use them. But yeah, this basket is from Hobby Lobby, or I don't know, a craft store. I forget what it's called. I'll probably put it on the screen though. And then these are some like Shopkin thingies. And then we have my bed. And at the moment, I just have a white blanket. But usually I do have like a fun blanket on top for whatever like season or holiday is coming up. And I do have a Christmas blanket that I just got at Five Below. And I'll be putting it here as soon as it is finished being washed. And yeah, then there's a little pillow and a stuffed animal. Then here we have like a little vanity thing, and like, I don't know, it's not really a vanity. It's just like a side bed desk. I don't know what to call it, okay? And it has my alarm clock, this tiara that I got from Disney, which my grandpa got. Thank you to him. He's probably watching this video. And then we have skincare things and this makeup powder that is literally shattered. Let me show you guys. It's literally so annoying though, because I like this one, but we have another. Anyways, I don't think that can be fixed, but I still have it because I feel like there's a way. And I really need to clean this desk, and I just got more powder on it. So let's just ignore that. But then we have this mirror from Five Below as well. And it just has some lip balms and lip products there. And these are just bracelets that I need to move. Then inside there's kind of randomness that I don't really feel like showing. And then underneath here we have 2 baskets with some hats and random things. Then we have my desk, which I actually don't use often, to be fair. But I really love this desk actually. And my grandma painted it, so thank you to her. And little desk tour. It's not that interesting, but yeah. There's also a plastic cover up. Whoa. Okay. As I was saying, there's a plastic cover up on this desk so it doesn't get really dirty. And then we also have this like little knob things that I've been needing to put here, and 2 of them on the desk knobs, but I just like need to do it and get it over with, but I haven't, so yeah. Then we have my fluffy chair that my grandma made out of a literal carpet. Of course, grandparents, so talented. Then this little craft drawer and some things on top. Then we have this closet, which is a mess, and it's just like a storage closet because my room used to be a guest room, so I'm not giving a tour of that. But then right next to there, we have this little thing, and it has books and my Disney ears, and I put these 2 Hug Me Squishmallows on top. Then lastly, we have my other thing that I store clothes in. I like don't know names. What is this even called? Dresser. And I love this dresser, and the top of it is so nice. So we're gonna do a tour for sure. First we have essentials and this Target like storage container that I have my Bath & Body Works perfumes, my face roller, and more stuff on the bottom. Then we have bracelets in little like trays. And then I also have this Amazon jewelry organizer, which I really love. And the first drawer I have a bunch of shirts, and it's literally stuffed. And we're just not going to go into detail of the other drawers. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!